Good morning, everybody. Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I say a very big thank you to you all. And so today I decided to just pick a trade based on what my SMC and my refined order block. So I actually gave my students some watch hour to look out for trades. Right, I gave them some key zones, every session key zones for them to look forward for a trade. So for that particular student, my student, you can actually see that, look at the time here, this is 3:33, right? This is 3:33. So converting into Nigerian time, this is going to be forward 4:33. So if you look at the key zone that I've given out to you, you will see that exactly we have it at that time. Right, look at the week here. So this is 3:30, right? That's 3:30 for us. So 3:30 is same thing as our own 4:30, which is still within the zone of the Asian session that has it to look out for. Right. So remember what I told you, the rules that I've set out for you when I made the video is when I made the one in the class was that you look out for BMS. After BMS, you look out for your inducement be taken out. From your inducement, you consider your liquidity, and from there you can take your entry. You can take your entry and look out for the nearest liquidity, right? Nearest liquidity. So you can actually see we have that everything aligned. That also we pick that trade there, right? So we pick the trade there. Right, we'll pick the trade there, and we looking at how it's going to play out. We are looking at how that thing is going to play outside. So as a matter of fact, trading should actually be fun, right? Trading should be fun, and when you know what you are looking for, you have nothing to worry about, right? You have nothing to worry about because you know that price will always play in your favor. Price will always play in your favor. The price will always play in your favor. Now, where we are right currently, we should be looking forward for a TP being taken out if we are not really that careful. Okay. So with what I have here now, I know that this low here would be taken out. But before it's going to be taken out now, there are some things. It might take it out immediately, right? And this other low too, this low here would also be taken out. This low here too would also be taken out, right? The only thing is just that it might not happen now, but this low would also be taken out eventually. So now what you should ask yourself is that, why do I have this serious pullback here? Right, why do I have this serious pullback now? If you look at very well, we have an order block here. Right? Look at this order block here. So price retested it, and so that was what gave us this pullback that we have. Right, remember that I said for you to have that confidence that you demand in the market, look at what happened now we had we had a reaction back from the up. Now why do we have that reaction? You can see this order block here. Right, slash our order flow. It's also causing some kind of reaction there. So once you know what you are looking for and you ask yourself, where is price coming from and where is price going to, so you wouldn't be stressing yourself too much. You can see that the order flow here has been mitigated, so possibly for us to continue the downward move, right? So the downward move. So as a matter of fact, know where liquidity is in the market. So once you understand where you have your liquidity in the market, you fear less. You fear less. Your fear will be what will be reduced, and your confidence would be increased, because no matter what you see in the market, you know that no, this is why this is happening. Right? But before you can attain that, you need to what? You need serious time to practice. Be dedicated. Know what you are looking for. Right? Know what you are actually looking for and where you would find it, how you will find it. Right? You can see that now. We can say we've started the correction. The downtrend is continue. Right? But look at this pullback now. If I don't know what I'm doing now, when I saw this pullback, I will have just be what? I will have closed. Right? I will have closed and say no. They've started a pullback. No, it is not like that. Once you do your analysis, always know the key point area where market will always want to play with your with your emotion, with your psychology. This game is a game of psychology. Right, so let me give you a takeaway from this video now, that what you should take home with a take home. Right, when you want to take a trade, ask yourself, where is the market coming from and where is the market going? Now once you are able to establish that, then the next thing you do is, okay, now where is my liquidity? Where is my liquidity? But before you consider your liquidity, consider your what? Your structure. Your structure is very, very important. Now on my 30-minute time frame, you can see that I have a break in market structure to the upside. I have a break in market structure to the upside. Right, I have a break in market structure to the upside here. So, and I have this weak rejection here. Now with my trading style, my trading rules, once I have this kind of rejections, now this rejection is not just happening in there are things that I've confirmed from my higher time frames with other confluence. So once I have this rejection, you can see that I have two different, let me show you, I have two different horizontal line. Okay, you might not see it here. I have two different horizontal line. Right, you can see the red, the green, and the purple. I have what I use them for. Right, I have what I use them for. Right, I have what I use them for. Okay, you can actually spot it very well now on this lower time frame. Right, from this lower time frame. Right, you can see this green, and so I have what I use them for, and I have what I made from them. Right, so once I've been able to ascertain that, okay, I'm in a downtrend, I'm in an uptrend, but I had a break in market structure out, and I have a liquidity being taken out matching with my confluence. So I fear not. So that is why I'm taking this now, and this that I'm taking now, I know where I should be going out. Right, I know where I should be going out. I must not be too greedy in the market, and I can decided to leave the opposition run to that area. All I just need to is just to monitor my emotion. Right, monitor my emotion and make sure. How do I check my emotion? Monitor my emotion is by knowing where the market is and where the market is going to reverse. Right, so with this, no matter what I saw, I know that they are only playing with my emotion. Market will eventually down to what I want it to dance to. Right, will actually play in my favor. Right, the market will eventually play in my favor. Right, so know where you are in the market. This will really save you a lot. Right, this will save you a lot. Right, this will really save you a lot. And as a matter of fact, you can see that I've almost done 150, or I've almost done like 50% or 75% of the accounts already. Right, I've always done 75 to 55% of the accounts already. So that is that on that. Now look at the time. You can see the time that I picked this trade. Those are part of my key zone, my Asian key zone. Every session has its own key zone. If you don't know, you don't know, and if you know, you know. Right, every session has their own key zone. Every session has their own key zone. So take that from this particular video. It was a very nice trend, right? It was a very nice trend. So see you in the next video. So if you actually enjoy this content and you need more video of like this, you need more videos like this too, more videos like this, please do comment, do like the video, drop in the comment section what you want me to be talking about, or if there's anything I talk about in this particular video that is not clear to you and you need more confirmation, do well to drop in the comment section. I would definitely respond to it and do justice to it. So see you. Please do well to like and subscribe to my channel. Please do well. You enjoy more of this type of content, making trading very simple and fun. Very simple and fun. Right now, I might be looking to go out of this market because I have this other block here. Right, I have this other block here now, so I know there should be a rejection, and if you can see, there is already a rejection already, so I should be closing some of my position, or I will close all, right, or I will close all. But I'm still watching closing and see what the market will do. Right, I'm still watching closing and see what the market will do. Right, but those are areas that I should be looking out for to exit the trade. Right, those are the areas that I should be looking out for to exit the trade. Right, those are the areas I should be looking out for to exit the trade. Right, and so guys, see you in the next, see you next time. Right, see you next time.